Welcome guys, so today I am with VIVO Y76 5G and I want to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this phone. So to enter the Pro mode you have to click right here and select Pro from this list. Okay, as you can see, here we are, and for example, at the first, I can recommend you to tap right here on this information icon, because in this place you will find description of every parameters that we can adjust right here. So here we can find it. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you how to adjust these parameters. Most of them we can adjust manually and automatically, but the exposure compensation is the only one that we can set only manually. So let's start from the exposure compensation. Okay, let's go forward, and right now we get ISO. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.